Hello again everyone, and welcome back to another video tutorial from ATWP WordPress hosting. As you can see, I'm inside my cPanel control panel, and in this video we're going to see how can we create a database and also create a user which we're going to get permissions to that user for using the database. Alright, for creating a database you have two options. First is using MySQL database, or next is using MySQL database wizard, which is much easier. So I'm going to use this part now. I click on it, and then always you would have the name of your account as a part of your database name, and it doesn't really matter. You just name something here. For example, I'm going to create a database name WordPress 56. Click on next, and then here, as you can see, I can also give another user or anything that you like. I can give the same to WordPress 56, and I would generate a password from cPanel password generator, then tick the I have copied this password, and copy this password. It's very important. Use password, and then create user. In this part you can give access to this user, can give to this user to use this database tables. For example, you can let the user create, delete, index, select, trigger, update, insert, and many other things to do in this database. I'm going to give it all privileges and make changes. Now you can see I have created my database successfully, and I have created another user which I gave this database access for that user. You can do this too for installing WordPress manually or any other CMS like Joomla, PrestaShop, or any other things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.